Well, I am going to try this one more time on my phone. I don't know why this thing is acting up. Got my finger in there, but I don't know why this thing is acting up audio-wise. Um, I looked up some things online and I just blew out the microphones and everything they said to do. So we'll try here. Got a little bit left to move down here. I thought I had to move the this bench over here out, but apparently I already did that. So not a whole lot left to move down here. Some of the stuff I'm just gonna leave. But there's a lot of stuff on the floor. Got just cans and fans, all this stuff, just lots of miscellaneous stuff. Wouldn't take too long, and I planned on doing that today. However, it rained, and so I didn't do that. But we'll go outside here. I'll show you what's going on. I know the cats want fed. There's baby kitty, little baby kitty. She's a good girl. Yeah, I know. I'll feed you here in just a minute. Just give me a second. Another warm day out. Not terrible. Sun hasn't really been shining. Pretty much overcast with clouds, and just really not too bad. Yard needs mowed again, but got Buddy and Jesse down here. But I'll show you what I'm doing over here in the other shop. I don't know how much wind noise you'll pick up here. Not much wind, but I think I'm walking against the wind. Where are you going? So anyway, over here in the old shop, the old new shop, trying to talk a little louder so you can hear and not turn my head. I don't know what's going on with the audio on this thing. And if it doesn't get on this, I'm just not going to do any more on my phone. But got that window in, and then got these over here in. Not here, but got a lot of tape and stuff on the ground. But got all four of these guys in. I just finished up with that one, putting paint on it, caulked it up, and put paint on it. I didn't know how that was going to go because the shelves that are inside there, like right there, they're actually built into the wall. And I wasn't going to take all that down. But I could remove the window, which I don't know who put that window in, but it didn't even reach up back behind here. It was just all caulked in there, and anyway, got it taken out, slid this new one in, and I think we're good to go on that. I know the painting, well, I got some tape today and it was just junk, just not very good, but I'm gonna put caulk all around these, just so they're all sealed up really good. So it doesn't really matter a whole lot, but got all four of these in. These over here, there's eight more over here that I need to do, and then there's three up top, and I'll probably do them. They're all broken out and just have boards covering stuff, so I'll probably just break down and do it. But that's what I've been doing today. What do you think, Jess? I know it's really humid, Rained, and then the sun came. Yeah, the sun came out, and it's just really humid. Jody and I went to the store today, and spent way too much money, but we've got good food, and we're just gonna have burgers and fries tonight, I think. But she's coming along, getting all these windows in here. Still got a little bit of stuff to clean out of the barn shop. Won't be too bad. The biggest thing is the air compressor in that darn hanging heater, but getting these windows in here. That one, I was like, how am I going to get back in behind here to put these stop strips in? There just really wasn't any way to do it. The 2x4 underneath the window, this guy, it was in good shape, but the window was sitting right on top of the 2x4. So I cut a new board like that for the outside. Got that all in. Worked out pretty good, really. So yeah, got 8 more to do down here, which they're getting hard to find. Have to go to 3 or 4 different stores to get them, but can get them. But anyway, that's what's going on. Haven't really done any truck stuff. The green truck hasn't moved down here. Moved out of here. Move, Jess. Dum dum. I've been kind of using it as a workbench. Really hasn't moved out of here for a while. She needs to go. Needs to go for a ride. But other than that, somebody asked if I think it was Tough Ancient Spark. I don't know if I still had the 99 Suburban or whatever, and I don't have a Suburban. I have a Tahoe, and yeah, it's sitting right up there. And have an exhaust problem on that. Something broke loose, and it just. I'm gonna take it in next week and see what's going on. Jody has a couple doctor's appointments, getting her knee replaced. So she has a couple doctor appointments, and I think when she's in one of those, I'm gonna run over to the muffler place and see what it'll cost and all that kind of jazz, and when they can do it and get it done. Just because I don't really want to mess with it. I hate exhaust work. I just absolutely hate exhaust work. I did the whole exhaust on this truck. It took a while, but nobody else would do it because I wanted the catalytic converters cut off, and nobody would do that. So I did it and made the whole exhaust myself. So anyway, take the Tahoe over there and get it fixed up. And maybe get something new here this fall. I don't know. That old girl, she's got 245,000 miles on her. Still runs good. This thing's got she's pushing 280. Nothing wrong with that. But anyway, corn's getting tall, and just not too bad of a day. It's been rather warm at times, and I don't know if we're gonna get more rain tonight or what's going on. And I hope the audio's okay. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna sign off of here. I'm gonna close up shop, and I'm gonna go eat. So we will catch you next time. Give it a thumbs up, comments down below, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, go over to the Hungry Fox. I think when Jody gets her knee done, I've got a couple ideas on something I could do myself and maybe have some fun with it. But anyway, I'm gonna sign off of here. So have a good night, guys.